roots stuck in the ground and branches in the air. There's probably one around. In fact, they're everywhere.
Whether they're big or small, they always stand so tall.
Their leaves are colorful, their shapes are magical.
Tell me, what can it be?
A tree!
As you can see, as you can see, now it's our closest friend and part of nature's plan, and it needs all our love to grow more every day.
There are so many kinds, but never two the same,
That you will learn with time to give them each a name.
Tell me, what can it be?
A tree!
As you can see, as you can see, with roots stuck in the ground and branches in the air, there's probably one around. In fact, they're everywhere.
there are so many kinds, but never two the same.
That you will learn with time to give them each a name.
Tell me, what can it be?
A tree!
As you can see, as you can see, tell me, what can it be?
A tree!
As you can see.
Do you know what I like the best about Earth Day? Flowers. Red ones, yellow ones, purple ones. They come in all different colors and they smell beautiful. Right. Well, let's discover a little more about nature. Hello, everyone. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Professor Iris.
Today, we are going to go outdoors.
Are we going for a walk?
Close. Today, we are going to discover nature.
Nature? Great! What exactly is nature?
Nature is everything around us.
Ooh. Like these?
Absolutely.
And flowers, too.
Why, yes. Oh, my. Oh. And nature is also mountains, rivers, and oceans, and animals.
All that?
Most absolutely.
How beautiful.
Ah, yes. Isn't it? Nature offers us a real show with all of its lovely scenery.
But nature doesn't always look the same.
Well, that's because it changes with every season. This is what nature looks like in winter, in spring, in summer, and in fall.
And nature isn't the same all over the world, is it?
Correct. Let's take a quick little trip. In the land of the Inuit, it is cold most of the year. Snow and ice cover everything. But in other places, it's hot most of the year.
Phew. What a change. Wow.
My, yes. Depending on where you are, nature can be completely different.
That's for sure.
Shh, not so loud.
Professor Iris! What is going on here? And what was all that racket?
It was a camel.
Ah! Of course, a camel. Well, what was a camel doing in the classroom?
Today's lesson is on nature. So I was just showing the class some of the animals we find in places where the weather is hot.
Ah, I see now. Very good, Professor Iris. Please continue with your lesson. Oh, and if you should find any pink elephants, be sure to give me a call. I wouldn't want to miss those. Bye-bye.
Let's get back to our study of nature and take a closer look at everything it has to offer.
What it has to offer?
Yes, nature gives us lots and lots of wonderful gifts.
Oh, goody, 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 goody. I love gifts.
For example, one of nature's greatest gifts is food. All these tasty vegetables and mouth-watering fruits come from nature.
Oh, yum! What nice gifts!
And that's not all. The water we drink every day comes from nature. Trees are a part of nature, and trees give us lots of wonderful things, too.
Yeah, I knew that.
How do they give us things?
Simple. The wood we get from trees can warm us. The leaves can shade us from the sun. And the wood can be used to build houses and boats.
Trees can also provide shelter for animals.
That's right. Birds build their nests in trees.
Don't forget about flowers. Flowers are part of nature.
Thank you for reminding me. Life wouldn't be as beautiful without flowers.
And what about the animals?
I was just getting to them. Animals play a very important part in nature and in all our lives.
Because we love animals.
Absolutely. And in exchange for this love, animals give us lots of amazing gifts. Take bees. Bees give us delicious honey.
Thank you, bees.
Professor Iris, what is going on this time? I heard so much noise. And what was all that buzzing about?
Oh, Miss Principal, it was only the bees.
Bees?
They're making us lots and lots of honey.
Would you like to have some bread with honey, Miss Principal?
What a tasty idea, Professor Iris. I think I will. Thank you. Please continue with your lesson. Bye-bye.
Now we all want the world to live in harmony. What is the magic word? Oh, nature, can you answer me? For the world, we must give our thanks to be a part of nature's ranks. And if the air we breathe is pure, we will live in harmony. Whoa, whoa, naturally, 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 naturally. And everywhere you set your eyes, every sight is some surprise. At the mountain, at the beach, nature's always within your reach. For the world, we must give all thanks to be a part of nature's ranks. And if the air we breathe is pure, we will live in harmony. Whoa, whoa, naturally, naturally. Through the world, so many animals, all the colors, flowers, forests, woods, and trees. For the world, we must give all thanks to be a part of nature's ranks. Whoa, whoa, naturally, woo, naturally, yeah, naturally, woo, naturally, naturally.
Professor Iris, what is going on here? And what was all that commotion?
Oh, we were just singing a song in honor of nature.
In honor of nature?
Mm-hmm.
How lovely. But could you honor her little more quietly, please, in the future? Thank you. Bye-bye.
Now, where are we? Ah, yes, nature. Nature is very important to us, and we're also very important to nature.
Oh, how?
We have to take care of nature and protect it.
Well, tell us how. We want to know.
First of all, we shouldn't throw paper, cans, or empty bottles just anywhere.
I know. We can recycle.
Absolutely.
What else can we do for nature?
Well, you can water plants and grass when the rain doesn't do it. Because they need water to grow.
Oh, thank you, Professor Iris. You're very thoughtful.
You're welcome. You can also put out food in winter for the animals when they have trouble finding their own.
Oh, hey, look, a squirrel.
A squirrel. Oh, hello there. Bon appétit.
Professor Iris, Look, it's a squirrel.
Shh, you'll scare him.
Well, what's he doing here?
He's eating. You must never disturb nature.
Of course not. Well, have you enjoyed your lesson, class?
Oh, yes. Now we know that we have to protect nature so that we can all live happily.
Oh, I'm so proud of all of you. Well, class is over for today. Hi there, little feller. Now you can all go outdoors and learn about nature for yourselves.
And keep your eyes wide open because nature has so many things to show us. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.